This water-cooled gaming PC will be one of the best rigs we have ever built. We've taken this custom PC to the highest level with easily the best graphics card, the RTX 4090, and arguably the ideal CPU to balance top-end gaming and production performance. The Intel i9 13900K. Now we can lock in 64GB of Trident Z5 RAM before we install the best CPU water block there is, the heavy-duty Heatkiller 4 Pro. Now that we've thrown the motherboard into the Phanteks NV7, a great case for water cooling with its unique tall design, we can unbox and install two white AlphaCool radiators. Before we install the basis of our water loop, a back-mounted AlphaCool distro. Now we can lock in the all-powerful RTX 4090 and show you this incredible water-cooled gaming PC. Filled with a clear coolant and with a variety of clouded curved pipes, this rig makes any assortment of RGB really pop out at you.